This is Jenny from the Child and Family Life Department, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own medical play doll. I'm sure some of you might have brought your own loveys or stuffed animals from home, and we're so glad that you have those things with you to help you be comfortable in the hospital. But today I'm going to show you how to make a medical play doll in case you want to have one of your very own. So, for your supplies, you're going to need a medical play doll, an alcohol wipe, a blue stretchy rubber band, a medicine straw, tape, and for the face of your doll, you're going to need Google eyes, something to make a nose. I'm using foam hearts, but you might want to use stickers or buttons, or you might even want to draw one with a marker. Glue and markers. And you can get all of these supplies by having your nurse page Child Life at 35146, and we will come and drop your own doll making kit off to your room for you. So I wonder what your doll needs if she wants to see. Did you guys say eyes? You're right. So we're going to use our glue, and we're going to put 2 little glue drops right where we want her eyes to be. And when you're done putting on her eyes, she might look like that. What do y'all think she needs if she wants to smell? Did you say a nose? Let's give her a nose. I'm going to use a heart sticker, but you guys can use a button. You can draw one with a marker. You might want to use stickers. You can use whatever you want. When you put her nose on, she's going to look like that. What do you think we need to give your doll if she wants to say something? Should we give her a mouth? Let's go ahead and use a marker to draw a mouth. And after you draw her mouth, she might look like that. Guess what? Today, you all get to be like real nurses and doctors. We're going to give your doll a pretend IV or a pretend little medicine straw to help her body get a drink of medicine while she's at the hospital. So some people, when they're getting their little medicine straw in, they like to help their body relax by using some different toys. Some people might like to blow on a pinwheel when they're getting their medicine straw in. Some people like to squeeze something in their hand. If you'd like to use any of these calming tools, you can again have your nurse call Child Life and page them at 35146, and we'd be happy to bring these things to your room. So I'm going to tell you a little secret about an IV. An IV is the world's tiniest, bendiest little medicine straw that you might get if you have to come to the hospital to help your body get a drink of medicine. An IV goes in these tiny little blue lines in our hand or in our arm. Do you guys know what those blue lines are called? Did you guys say veins? You're right, you all know so much about your body. So veins are just like little roads that go all around our body that help our body get a drink of medicine or water while we're in the hospital. So first, we're going to use our stretchy rubber band to help us see the blue lines or veins in our doll's hand. So we're going to tie the little blue rubber band around her arm. And after we do that, it's going to look like this. When the nurse ties the little blue rubber band around your arm, some people say it feels like a tight hug for their arm. The next thing we're going to want to do is, do you think we should make her arm very dirty or very clean when she's getting her medicine straw in? What do you all think? Did you say clean? You all know so much about how to help keep your body safe. So we're going to use a cool, wet cleaning wipe that looks like this. We're going to clean her arm. Might feel kind of cool and wet with the cleaning wipe. So now it's time to put her medicine straw in. Some people, when they're getting their medicine straw, some people like to sit up. Some people like to lay down. Some people like to watch. And some people like to look away. What do you all like to do? This doll likes to lay down and she likes to look away. She doesn't like to watch. Some other things that you might do while you're getting your IV in is you might blow on a pinwheel or squeeze a stress ball. So an IV is the world's tiniest, bendiest little medicine straw. But if I tried to put the little medicine straw in the doll's hand like this, would it go? Not very easily, would it? So the nurse has to use a tiny needle to help the little medicine straw get into the blue line or vein in your doll's hand. So you might feel a little pinch when the nurse puts the IV in, but the needle part doesn't stay in. The needle part comes out right after the nurse puts the little medicine straw in, and she throws the needle part away in a special needle garbage where no one can get it out. So know that if you have an IV right now, all that's in your hand or arm is the world's tiniest, bendiest little straw. What do you guys think the doll might want to use when she gets her IV in? Do you think she might want to blow on a pinwheel and take deep breaths to help her body relax? She might want to do that. So we'll let her hold the pinwheel like this. Okay. So the doll said that she wants to blow on her pinwheel and she wants to lay down and she doesn't want to watch. But she wants us to count to 3 before we do the poke. Would you guys help me count to 3? 1, 2, 3. And we're going to slide her little medicine straw in. And then we're going to take off her little rubber band. And when her medicine straw is in, it'll look like that. Do you guys have one of these in your room to help your body get a drink of medicine or water while you're in the hospital? Do you guys know what this is called? Did you say IV pole? You're right. You all know so much about what's helping your body get better while you're in the hospital. So this is the doll's little IV pole. And how it works is the nurse just hooks the bag of medicine right to her little medicine straw, just like this. And it has a little medicine giver on the end that looks like this. So if we pull back on the little medicine giver, water is going to come in there, because we're just pretending. We're just going to pretend that it's medicine. And then we can push it in, and it goes right in the doll's medicine straw and right into her body, exactly where she needs it to help her feel better. So thank you all so much for making a medical play doll with me. Again, if you guys need any of these supplies, please tell your nurse to page Child Life at 35146, and we'd be happy to bring your own medical play doll kit to your room. Take care. We're thinking about you guys. Bye-bye.